On 27 January, SriSriRaviShankar Vidya Mandir celebrated educators from across India for their outstanding contributions to holistic education outside traditional classrooms. Dr. S. Krishnappa, known for fighting child labor and promoting education in rural areas, was honored alongside Sri Dattatreya Ware, who pioneered India's first ISO certified government school. Ms. Rashmi Srivastava from KIIT World, Gurgaon, was recognized for addressing social challenges through innovative methods. The awards recognizing excellence in education were attended by dignitaries including SriSriRaviShankar and Dr. Subhash Sarkar. Ravi Shankar emphasized the collective responsibility towards education, while Dr. Sarkar highlighted the importance of integrating yoga into the national education policy. Army Public School Noida received the Overall Excellence in Education Award for instilling discipline and patriotism. Sadhu Vaswani's International School, Hyderabad, was lauded for community initiatives and values-based education. Other awardees included Bloomingdale International School and individuals like Kaushal Kishore and Dr. Sanjay M. Pirapur. Panel discussion on the role of AI in education featured experts from various fields, emphasizing the need for technological integration. The SriSriRaviShankar Vidya Mandir Trust, with 25 years of promoting holistic education, instituted the awards, setting a standard for education excellence.